Hello viewers, Maria Mitchell here bringing you another face painting tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to face paint this cool, scary shark. It's a popular one with the boys, also the girls. You can make it super simple or you can elaborate with different things around it like splashes, etc. So the superstars of this design is a split cake by the name of Magpie by TAG, as well as a 1/2 inch flat angled brush, which we use to shape the actual shark on the child's face. I also use another split cake which has blues and whites in it. You can use a turquoise color. This one is to represent the water around the shark. And as I said, you can use some different shades of blues if you like. And then we finish off with a number 6 round brush doing the splashes on top of the blue. I think you'll really like practicing this one. It's one of my favorites to paint. So grab your face painting kit and your brushes and let's get painting.